Want a dessert that literally melts in your mouth? This creamy custard cake is soft, golden, loaded with juicy dried fruit. One bite and you'll be obsessed. Greetings and a warm welcome, Sanibonani. My name is CBO. Let's begin by making custard. In a pan, place sugar, cornstarch. Mix with a whisk or a fork until they are both blended well. Gradually add fresh full cream milk and mix. Separate the eggs. Add the yolks into the milk mixture. I will leave a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Mix well. Please note the pot or the pan is not on the stove or heat yet. Once there are no lumps, take the pan to cook the custard on medium to low heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens. I attended something on the side and this is what happened, lumps, but I will be able to redeem it later. Set it aside, close it with a cling wrap. For the cake, cream butter with sugar. I apologize, I have lost some footage on this. Add the eggs as you blend. You may use a hand blender or a wooden spoon to blend. Then add vanilla extract or essence. I needed the flavor of an almond extract. That's optional. Add the yogurt. Please note that the yogurt, the eggs, and the butter are at room temperature. Blend well. If you are new to this channel or you have never pressed the subscribe button, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. The wooden spoon was taking longer. Gradually sift in the flour with the baking powder as you mix in between. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Please support the channel by watching or running the advertisements. Press the like button and comment below. I added more yogurt because my batter was stiff. I like the batter to be cream like this. Divide it into 2 portions and set one aside. Add mixed dried fruit on one portion and mix. It's best to mix the dried fruit with flour before mixing it with batter. Pour the fruity batter on the lined baking pan. Level the batter. Tap the baking pan to remove the air pockets. Then bake for 10 minutes. Take it out. If you want to bake your custard, pour it at this point, then follow with the second portion of the batter. I wanted to do that and I forgot the custard. I had to pivot. Smoothen the top. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Once baked, cool it in the pan for about 10 minutes, then take it out to cool it further on a cooling rack. This is me trying to redeem my custard from the lumps. Let's assemble it. If you baked it without the custard, cut it into 2 slices. Make a sandwich by spreading the custard in between the slices, then close them. Dust it with powdered sugar, then cut it into pieces. Please press the like button to add value to this video. I hope you will enjoy the cake. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.